How to unfriend someone on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to unfriend someone on Snapchat, here are different methods to do it. So first and foremost, make sure you have updated your Snapchat application. You can confirm it by visiting App Store and Play Store. Once that is done, launch the application and tap on the search bar. Now search for the friend that you want to unfriend and tap on their profile. Now tap on their username or the profile or bit emoji and tap on three dots. Then tap on Manage Friendship button and it will give you four options. Tap on the third one, which is Remove Friend. After that, confirm the removal and you have successfully unfriended the person. Additionally, you can tap on three dots again and block the person and ignore the friend recommendations as well. So this is how you can unfriend someone on Snapchat. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.